Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to group shapes and how to ungroup shapes. Grouping means that you take a few shapes and you lock them together so you can move them together and make changes on them together, and it's very handy if you have certain things which are made of a few different shapes. I'm going to show you an example by drawing a car on my ground. So I'm going to choose a rectangle, and that should be the body of the car, and let's make it a blue car. I'm going to choose another rectangle for the window. I'm going to choose this one. There we go. I'm going to change the fill to white, and I'm going to give it an outline which we call the border, and I'm going to make it blue as well. So that's what I've got until now, and we spoke about those little yellow handles. You can see what they do, and I'm going to drag it just a little bit so it looks like the front of the car. And I'm going to insert my last shape, which is a circle for the wheel. Draw it here first. By the way, if you hold the shift while drawing a shape, it will make it a perfect circle as opposed to an oval if you don't hold the shift down. So at any point you hold the shift, it makes it into a perfect circle. Let's put it here and make it black. And here's my 4-direction arrow, and I'm going to place this wheel here. I'm going to right click on it, copy it, and right click outside, paste it, and here's my car. Maybe we'll make the window or that part a bit smaller. There you go. So this is my car. In my animation later, I want to make this car move forward, but I don't want to have to move each element all the time because I know I'm not going to be able to keep them in the same position. So what I want to do is make them into one unit that moves together, and you do it by grouping shapes. The way it's done is as follows. You click your first shape, and then you hold the shift button down on your keyboard, and then you select your next shape. And you see that now it's both shapes selected because the area goes all around it. I keep on holding the shift down and I click this wheel and also that wheel. And now you go to Arrange and Group. And you will see that now if I move it, everything moves together. You might want to ungroup it later because you might want to make some changes to just a part of it. For example, if I want to change the color of the body of the car now, let's say I want to make it a red car, then I can click again on Arrange, Ungroup, click outside, and then I can click just on the body of the car, and then I can make it into a red car. And then I can again click on the window, hold the shift button down, click on the body of the car, click on one wheel, click on the second wheel, let go of the shift, go to the Arrange tab, and right here you'll find Group. Again, you see that the shape is moving all together. You can try to resize everything together. It might work, but not always. Give it a go.